Hi, this is batch number 3 of the BAZ knife. The BAZ knife, I'll choose the one I like the most, is a rosewood handled VG10 wrapped in Damascus, hardness of about 60-61, beautiful knife, through tang, well finished, pinch grip handle, comes with a beautiful sheath. Sits in there. Magnificent. You can buy these off me. The link is below to email me for the price and the details, shipping, all that sort of thing. I'm not advertising the price publicly at the moment, but I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So, what I'm going to do is give them a BESS test straight out of the factory. And then we'll see. I have a choice of giving them a quick strop on the kangaroo tail, maybe the suede side, see if I can improve it. Then I've also got the SJ250 Japanese 4000 grit polishing stone, which I can maybe give them a quick polish and see how they go. But they feel very smooth on the edge. I think they're going to test up nice. So I'll bring you across. We've got the machine over here, plenty of BESS clips, and let's just see, first of all, how they come out in the factory. And then depending on the scores, we'll see. Okay, number 1. $107. Nothing is going to go out the door unless it's 99 or better, so that one's getting a touch. Number 2. $110. So that one's getting a touch too. Number 3. $76. Oh. And you know, I felt it as it went through. So that one doesn't need touching. Number 4. $111. Number 5. $128. Number 6. $81. That one's going through. Number 7. What do you think is going to be the lowest score? $79. Nice. Number 8. $114. 77. Whoa. I'm not touching these. Number 10. 86. Nice. $11. Legs 11. 87. Oh, that's pretty impressive from the factory. They're doing a very good job over there. I told them to. And they said our sharpener has been with us for 20 years. He knows what he's doing. No, sorry, number 12. 89. Nice. Less work for me. 13. 33. Actually, that one was a bit wobbly. Could have been me. Let's just try that again. $141, that definitely needs a touch. Number 14. 86, beautiful. Number 15. 121. 16. 90. That's a pass. Number 17. 77. You can feel the 70s. They just ping so lightly. Magnificent. Number 18. This one's my favourite handle. Looks a bit burlish. Look at that. Almost what's the word I'm looking for? Like pearlescent almost. Beautiful. Hope it scores well. So this is number 18. 88. Good enough. $19. Second to last. $92. And finally, number 20. What do you think this one's going to be? $97, just squeaked in. Okay, well that's not too bad. That's a good result. So let's go and have a look at them all on the table. That's a pretty good score. What do you reckon, Chili? Side-eye. So that's good. Now I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to wait for some comments. What do you think I should do? I think what I want to do is I want to run anything over 99. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 knives out of 20 did not come under 99. So I'm going to give them a run on the kangaroo tail, see if I can improve them a bit, and if not, maybe we'll hit them with the Japanese. Just a quick run or two, maybe at, I don't know, 32 degrees or something. We'll see if that can improve it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.